So this is my galvanized pipe for my sink drain in the kitchen, as well as in the bathroom, the master bathroom. It's got quite a few holes. I patched it up, and there's a clog from there down to the main pipe here. So I'm not sure what the problem is. I think it's roots. It may not be roots. We're gonna see, because I'm gonna cut this pipe. Once it drains out, I will cut it, and then I'll get my large wrench, pipe wrench, and I'll start taking it off. If it's difficult taking it off because it's old and corroded, I'll heat up the pipes around the threaded area. So I'm gonna have to do that to both sides, right there also. So it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Wish me luck. So I started cutting into the pipe. This is a galvanized pipe. And the biggest concern here with the pipe is that the water may drip inside my reciprocating saw. And if that happens, then yeah, I can get a nice little shock here. So I'm trying to be careful with it. And I'll put my gloves back on. I'm gonna get this thing rocking and rolling. Finish cutting it off. I may have to bang it with my hammer. So here we go again. Get it in there. Almost there. I gotta come around the back maybe. If I can get in there. All right. She looks like she's coming apart. Gotta cut more. Oh, these things will look loose. Alright, here we go. That part's done. Alright, so the pipes have been cut, and it's kind of like good news because the inside is all clogged up. So now I'm gonna have to take it off from this part here and this part here, and then put a PVC in, and then a hub in the middle. That's what I'm doing. Well, here we are. I got one part of the pipe off. I was able to screw that off. Unscrew that, I mean. With a large pipe wrench. Now this one is a lot more difficult. It won't come off readily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat it up. And folks, when you heat stuff up, be careful with it. Be careful with the wood and everything, because it will make a difference. Be careful. Heat up that pipe. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. All right, so with a little elbow grease and 2 hands on the wrench, I got it off. So here's the pipe. Let's see here. Let's see what it looks like inside. Let's see. That's pretty nasty, huh? All right. Okay, so I cleaned out the drain. A lot of cruddy stuff along the edges. I needed to make sure that the threading is clean and ready for my PVC pipe that I will screw on. And let me show you the other side. You'll see it's still got cruddy stuff in there that I will remove now, and then we'll take it from there. So this is the same pipe. It's on the other side, and it's basically a 1.5. So this area here where it's threaded, it's been leaking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that right around here, and then I'll remove this, clean it out, screw it on, maybe put a little dope on it, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so I cut it off. I use my multi-tool. It's a great tool to use. I just want to show you something. It basically just popped off. Didn't even screw off because it was on by a thread. And some real how things are put together here. Anyway, I'm going to clean it up, check the threading out. If the threading is good, I'll put it back in with some dope. Let me show you the tool that I used. This is the tool I used right here. Right there. This is great. It's an old tool that I've had, but it works great. Battery's dying now, so I'm just gonna go recharge it. Okay, so I'm back. I don't know if you can see this very closely, but the threads are pretty chewed up. And there is no way that a PVC pipe, the one that they had right here, is going to do anything. It's all going to get chewed up, and it's not going to get screwed in properly and seal. So my solution is to add solid piece of piping here, 1.5 inch. It's a male. It's going to go in, and it's kind of, I put a little dope on it. It's going to force it to work, and I just want to make sure it gets in maybe up to 1/2 inch. So that's what I'm going to work on now. Okay, now this part is done. Got the PVC hooked up to all the pipes. Seems to be nice and sealed. Hopefully there's no leaks, but who knows? We'll see. And I cleaned it all out. Just want to show you the pipe dope that I've been talking about. It seals everything up right here. This is what I use. It's what I've had for many years. Use it with all my pipes in the basement. And show you what I'm going to be adding right now. Here's I just brush it right on all the way around it. And that's it. I'm going to be adding that up in here to this guy. Right there, that guy there in the corner. Alright, he's been pretty bad, so he has to go in the corner. And maybe I'll put a dunce hat on him, I don't know. It caused me a lot of clogged emotions. So this is the 2-inch pipe that goes into the main drain, the 4-inch drain. You can see right there. Now, with the way it's set up, there's a belly that's created about 24 inches away, because that pipe, see how high it is, and look how low this is. Crazy. It's about an inch, inch and a half belly. So I'm removing this. I already knocked it out. I'm removing it. And as you can see here, it's all corroded. So my whole thing is to get this thing back in. But I'm going to remove this pipe off here and put something smaller in it so I can get it down to about an inch, inch and a half. Okay, so I cut the pipe and I lowered it as far as it can possibly go. I lowered it about an inch, inch and a quarter. I think that will take care of the belly. If nothing else, it'll be flat across. It'll be level the last 24 inches. Okay, so all the pipes are in. There's a slight pitch. As you can see here, no more belly. Pipes went on a diet. And as you can see here, the pitch is there as it comes down to here. And it pitches down to the pipe. So I'm done here. I'm just going to turn the water on and check for leaks, and then I'll take it from here. It's only if it's a drain leak, I can repair it easily without taking anything apart. Alright guys, have a great day. I hope this has helped you. You can do it on your own, you know. Take your time. A lot of videos out there that you can use for yourself. Have a great day. God bless.